2 days later after taking out my perm rod set. So I slept on it for a couple days and I haven't gone anywhere. So I'm not going outside like this. Okay, so welcome to the tutorial. So obviously I'm starting off with parting my hair. I'm going to part the front two in big enough parts, but not too huge because I also want my puff to be really big. So I put only a little bit of water, and that's just because I want sort of like a chill, messy look. So I don't want to like sleek down the ponytail too hard, but we will sleek down them edges. So, you know, yeah. Okay, so here I'm just taking some of the side so that I can make curls later on. So you'll see that. Just take a part, just separate it from your ponytail and then put it to the side. You can pin it back. I'll pin it back later. But here I'm just braiding, and then when I get about 80% down, I'm going to start twisting it, because once it starts to get like really thin at the end, it's a little too hard to take apart the braid. So I changed to twist because it's easier, as you can see here. Okay, so now I am using heat protectant because we're going to be using a cool tool very soon. So grab your heat protectant and put it on your hair. And of course do your edges however you want. I use Eco Styler gel to do my edges, but if I was going out, then I would add, what do you call it? The glue one? What is it? It's got to be glued hairstyling cream or gel. That's what it's called. And of course, let your edges sit. Okay, so I'm going to use this steam curler, and I got it from Amazon a while ago. Never used it. This is how it looks. Yes, it comes with 4 temperatures. So I put it on the middle temperature, which is 410. There's 380 and then 450. So I'm gonna use the red one because I have a red on my shirt. So here I'm just opening the beads and putting them on my hair. So I did wrap my hair up and use a rubber band so that it stays in place, and then I just used the open and close function on the rest to add on, and I put about 5 beads on each braid. So here, those little 2 frillies were like kind of sticking out a little bit, so I just pushed it behind my ear and then let it sit for a little bit, and then just like took it back out, and then it sort of like flowed a little better. So this is the final result. You can add clips. I ended up taking it out, but those are really cute, and I'll also put links to the clips in the description box. Okay, so I decided to take a whole bunch of pictures, and I also decided to change my shirt. Look at the color coordination. I'm just gonna take this down and then we're gonna just move to the next hairstyle. It's gonna be so simple. Okay, so we are back with yet another style and another shirt. I'm just gonna be curling the front two sections of my hair, and well, you can see what I'm doing here. And last but not least, we have the final style. This is my favorite. I had to save the best for last. I really wanted to use those clips, and so I'm so happy they look good. These are large, matte, colorful clips that I got from Ramwe. The link will be in the description box, so no worries about that. And I love this. So I mean, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you can try out these hairstyles, and then obviously subscribe, like, comment, come back for more. See ya.
I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning.